What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, as I request on every single video I post, please can everyone like, comment, share and subscribe. They're all very important to get the channel's views up, likes up, subscriptions up, engagement, so other people can watch the videos also. Yeah, support me, people. I know I appreciate the support already, but come on, a little bit more support. And let's get this cracking. Let's get 3,000 subscribers is so close, and million views is also so close. But yeah, people, I got something slightly different today compared to the usual brands I show. This is the first time this brand is on my channel. So compared to the brands I show, compared to the stuff I show, so it's not sneakers, it's not trainers, it's not tracksuits. It's a bit different. It is Louis Vuitton. So just a quick one, and it's actually funny little backstory on this. I've actually had this for a whole year and I haven't worn it. And then I just randomly saw it in the wardrobe and I was like, you know what? It needs a video. Why not, man? Let's have a video. Let's see how it goes. Let's just quickly review this. Very simple and straightforward. So the box, the standard orange Louis Vuitton box with Louis Vuitton written across it. That is kind of like raised, so you can feel Louis Vuitton if you just do that. And it's got kind of like a texture to the box as well, so it's not plain, it's textured. The front, the side is like, I don't know, I want to see beige with the little gaps. The back is also the orange color. It does show up a bit more different, but in person, I don't know why it's one color, but it shows slightly different on the camera. And then it's got that beigeish color as well. On the bottom, it just says some numbers and packaging made in Bulgaria. The most important thing we need to just see is what's inside. So without further ado, boom. So this is the Monogram Classic Scarf by Louis Vuitton. The colorway is charcoal grey. They do have different colors in this scarf. So they have like a light grey, a navy blue and a black. I believe when I bought it they didn't have the black, but I prefer this to the black anyway, because it kind of stands out a little bit more, and plus you can wear it with black also, so it's fine. It is 100% wool. Let's just open it up. So it's got a slight little fringe at the bottom. You can tell it hasn't been worn, literally still fresh a year later. And then we've got, there we go, the Louis Vuitton Paris, 100% wool, little care instructions, dry clean only, made in Italy, and then whatever the care symbols mean, not gonna lie, I don't know. Nice wool scarf. So on one side it's all grey with black embroidery, so the LV and the little logos. On the other side, obviously it's the reverse side, that's got it shows up in black and grey, obviously slightly different. If you do turn it around and wear it like that, the LV will be backwards. So that is up to you. Let's just open it out a bit more. Yep, there's a sticker or something from Louis Vuitton. I believe that was on the box. I don't even know what it's in there. But yeah, definitely is 100% genuine. I'm not going to show the receipt or anything like that. Reason being is you should believe me. But yeah, It cost a bit more than £300, I think around 330, 340. But Louis Vuitton has recently put the prices up on everything, so I can't remember, to be honest. Or it might have been 320 and they might have put it up now, I'm not too sure. You can definitely check the website, not gonna lie, I'm not really a, Louis Vuitton guy. Like, I don't go out of my way buy the Louis Vuitton everything. It's just a few bits and bobs. Such as this scarf, which is, winter season coming up, and especially this year is very, very cold, so it definitely does look good with just a black outfit, or black and grey outfit. Throw this in there, kind of, make the outfit look a bit better. But that's literally it. I don't really have too much more to say. Yeah, this sticker was on there, so when they packaged it in the store, it got the little paper. There's something here as well. Oh yeah, that's the little label. So it says what it is. So it says ECHMNG, and then classic charcoal. And I think the M78526 must be like a style code or something for the scarf. But definitely 100% authentic. You know what, I'm just gonna check that now. But it's still got like a chip in there as well, so that's all official stuff. Let's just quickly Google that. I'm actually going to do it live or Googling. Yep. So M78526, that is the code, as you can see there. Monogram, classic scarf, charcoal grey, £340. Not bad at all. But yeah, that's really all I need to, discuss, go through whatever about the scarf. There's not too much more to say about it. I've already dragged this video on a lot. Worth the price, or we'll have to see, man. That's a lot of money. But sometimes it's good to treat yourself. But yeah, that's literally all from me for today. Let me know if you like these type of videos, if you just want to see like a closer look to certain items, designers. Let me know if there's something that you want me to see, and if I like it, I might get it and review it. But I'll be honest, I'm not gonna go out of my way and buy £1,000 items just to show people. I'm not up there yet, so leave a like, leave a comment, leave a share, leave a subscribe, bell icon, all that good stuff, and then maybe I'll be up there and I'll be able to review £1,000 bags and like duffel bags and backpacks and all that good stuff. But for now, make sure you stay locked. Let me know what you think. Keep supporting, and most importantly, take care, people.